Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your headphones Beats Studio Pro. So, at the bottom of the left ear cup we have power button or system button or connection button. Firstly, we need to turn off these headphones, so press and hold this power button. We just turn off them. After that, you need to press and hold this connection button until you will see the red LED light. So let's press and hold. It turned on. Now it entered operating mode, so it's blinking white. It's okay, just keep holding this button. Here we go, we have it, so you can release your finger. After that, we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings. Then, Bluetooth. You can also on iPhone click at this pop-up, but let's do this using Bluetooth. So go to the Bluetooth, and after that, just tap at your earbuds. This one is the best one, because on another headphones, we need to remove them from the phone and then add it again. But right here, we can only tap on them at the device list. I check it also on Android devices and it worked the same, at least on Pixel 8. Okay, maybe on your phone you need to remove them and then click pair new device and reconnect them. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.